Okay, he's raising it up again to dump the bed. Make sure it's working. There she goes, it's working.
That's a fantastic truck, man.
Boy, it is.
I really wish we would have been able to keep this truck. I really do. If I had the money to buy it, I'd be here in a minute.
Well, just keep bidding. You might be able to get it. Has 114,143 miles. HR1275.
All of the outrigger sensors are all brand new. But they put them on or just weeks before we put it on service.
Well, that's good to know.
Yeah, all those are all brand new. The emergency pump, that's brand new. That was just put on there within the year before they took it off. I worked that emergency pump every single day. Yeah, a lot of the electronic components are replaced. A lot of them are brand new.
So it's been well maintained.
It was very well maintained.
Well, that's a good thing.
I made sure I kept up on it.
All right, well, thanks for operating. Appreciate it.